here.
Chris is just alone in his vlog, apparently.
Hey, I think someone got hurt by the fireworks.
I wanna party like Chris Farley. But if you go...
Parade. It was fun, and now I'm just gonna watch Stranger Things until we go to the fair later with Giovanna. Hi vlog! What are you supposed to say? I don't know, just talk about your day. I woke up this morning and I went to a parade and I saw a bunch of people from high school that I don't like, and I went home and now we're getting Mexican on the 4th of July. Samantha's smarter than me. Did you get water on my glasses? No, I don't want to go there. Oh my god! It just started raining. We finished eating. I feel like a frog.
The kind of fun that comes from finding the best savings online at holidayworld.com. So get the fun started today.
I'm cute.
Pressure salesperson.
I don't know, but you're awful smiley.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm one of
Squad's here.
Out here.
So we made it to the fair.
I like my towel. I think it's cute.
These VSco girls have just set up.
I'm the only Okay.
No, that's hitting my phone. But there's grass in the way and it's annoying.
It's okay.
Hey guys. What's up? It's me, Chris, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And welcome back to the channel.
Back to the channel. We're here.
Back to my channel.
And
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Chris is just alone in his vlog, apparently.
hey, I feel like we're at Coachella.
Cause we are.
I feel like this is what Coachella would be like. This is what we would
But
be
like we wouldn't be sitting in the grass.
Yeah, and I'd
We'd
be wearing like a lot nicer clothes.
And I wouldn't be wearing overalls.
Wouldn't you though?
So we're out here vibing
wouldn't.
at the fair or the carnival. You guys notice
What do you see in the clouds?
we're all vlogging. No, but like she's gonna start. What?
I've been vlogging. I don't vlog everything.
I vlog my whole life because if I don't vlog, then am I even like existing?
If you didn't vlog, you weren't there.
Exactly.
Update, we've seen 2 moms wear the same exact outfit as me.
2 whole moms.
Kind of rude.
Ah! Tricked ya. Gotcha. Links in the bio.
I'm gonna yeet you out of existence. Ew, bugs. We're on a mission to get me a corn dog. Watch you trip in one of these holes. We're in line to get a corn dog.
We've been waiting for like 30 minutes.
We literally have not.
We've literally been waiting for like 5.
Okay. Hey, what's up? Is that your vlog?
Yeah.
Hey vlog! Hey guys.
We secured the package.
You bite the little tip off, and then you let cold air in.
That's what I am.
Like that. Carnival to get back here.
We just ran all the way back here.
We
to our spot.
Disappointed about that.
We also lost Giovanna. So I said she got eaten by the crowd. Look who finally decided to show up.
Okay, I got lost. Okay.
Yeah, because you didn't follow me.
And then this family just went in front of me.
That's kind of rude. If you were the family that went in front of Giovanna, just know she's about to get you.
We're suing.
She's about to roast you on her YouTube channel. Look, is this like cute? Oh God.
What?
This light.
Yeah.
It's raining. Like what the heck? Watch it start downpouring and like
Literally, it's going to, and then we're gonna be here, and like, what are we gonna do?
towels.
I'm straight gonna run under somebody's giant tent. Like, I don't care.
On my phone.
The light said yeet.
Sister. So
We just obtained the grain and got some ice cream.
Show the ice cream. Wait, is it just going on your spam?
what?
You can't show the
I
ice
think
cream.
someone got hurt
because
by
you
the
said
fireworks.
Thank
Some guy's checking someone out.
Oh, someone got hit by that.
Someone got hit by that.
Okay, so if you didn't follow that, basically one of the fireworks said, "Yeet, I'm not going in the air today." And it exploded like near the ground and some people got burnt. So that's fun. I don't think anyone got majorly hurt though, so I think it's okay. And I wasn't even really near it, so yeah. We're in line for the Ferris wheel.
There are a ton of people, like a ton.
And we got our tickets. Oh God, it's moving. We're stuck at the top.
Chris, do you need a ride? Hi, oh my gosh.
We're at the
very
freaking top, and I'm scared.
Ferris wheel gang.
So we're in the Ferris wheel.
Everyone smile.
And I'm starting to feel kind of sick. Like I'm ready to go home. Carnivals be the
Actually, it'll be better if yeah.
So we're leaving the carnival now. And yeah, it was fun. What do I say? Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications for to get notified every single time I post.
And then we're gonna have to ride first.
And which is Wednesday and Sunday. And
Friday.
No, not Friday anymore. I cut that out.
That's gonna be a pain to edit out. You're welcome.
Okay. And yeah, bye, I guess.
Yeah,